Welcome back, students. So let us discuss commercial and display advertisements with the help of examples. In the last video, we have discussed about the meaning of commercial and display advertisement, its features, aims, what are the things that we need to include, all these things. So now here with the examples, you can give for any purpose. Maybe if you want to launch your product, if you want to promote your goods, anything for that purpose, that you can use commercial or display advertisements. So for example here, one first advertisement is given that is about pens, right? So now here see, the way the font is changed, it means different fonts, size, shape that is used. Just like in a poster drafting or designing, in the same manner. For example, this is the sale of a pen we are seeing. We can write in any corner, in a sale, in an attractive manner, in something exclamatory, astonishing way that you can write, give the exclamatory mark. SAL is sell in capital letters, then exclamatory mark, one of the corners. It means, there is no specific format is given that way, only one plain way that you should write. No, our intention is that only to attract the customers, to make them please. So that is our purpose. So here, for example, sell the word is used. Later on, Sunshine pen, the name of the pen is given, or anything. It means product name. Last video I told you that we need to write the name of the product, name of the organization, company, firm, manufacturers, whatsoever it is, that is we need to mention. So name of the product is given. So then, for example, on which the word trust, it is given, name of the pen, on which the word trust, something in such a way. You can use slogans, you can use some linguistic concepts, for example, metaphors, you can use simile, you can use, so that on which the word trust, exclamatory mark, something, it means something astonishing, something outstanding that you need to mention, attractive. So then, for example, trendy, smooth, fine tip and proper firm grip. And later on, for example, you can write the features, its advantages, any product. For example, if you are launching, if you are writing an advertisement for the laptop, television, for anything, for the school bags, school uniforms, for any particular uniforms. So that also, because you draw the pictures, use figures, graphics at one corner, and then in the middle you can write the features of your product, by which, just like for example, if you are running a school, if you are running a private tuition, for that, for admission, if you are giving an advertisement, for that also that you have to mention the features, selling features. What are, for example, well-maintained staff, well-equipped library, computer room, knowledge center, whatsoever it is, or smart classrooms, smart class, excellent board result, CBSE result. So whatsoever is which you think that it is in the favor of the organization or the company, firm, school, that you can mention either in the center of the page, one side, anywhere that you can mention, and you can change the font in small size that you can mention. So then trendy, smooth, fine tip in this way. And the picture is also used. Font, there is a change in the font and the shape. You can use colors. And lastly, do not forget to give address and contacts. Right? So let us move on to the next example. Second example is given about a watch, wristwatch. Right? Here picture is drawn. We have made pictures of a wristwatch. Name of the watch is given. Name is given. It means, for example, in any question on any topic, you have to mention the name of the product, name of the organization, using some big font that you can do. Clear? So, name of the organization, product or manufacturer's company. So then, for example, our ad is about a wristwatch, so that's why you can mention just like here cell, SAL, cell is mentioned. You can also mention here cell, right? In one corner that you can mention at the top of your advertisements box that you mention cell, exclamatory mark, then name of the company, then one side, for example, using the changing the font with a special offer. I told you that if possible, give the offer or discount by which you could attract the customers. So with a special offer, then hurry up, offer up to limited periods, or first two customers, first 10 customers, 10% discounts. Next you can give regarding the features of this. Here, for example, in something I have mentioned here, it means you have to write the features. What are the advantages? What are the special features of this product that you can mention here? Later on, you can write something. Select for the students for this and this one. Select. You can come select as per your hands, wrist. So then, for example, attractive colors, stylish looking. These are the features. Colors, stylish looking, free to choose as per your size, right? And then a perfect gift for your relatives. Whatever. These are the special features using different fonts. Here that you can write. Clear? So then, and also here you can see get one. It means buy one and get one free. You can write here somewhere. Space is available. In this manner, you can write buy one, get one free to attract the customers. So lastly, address, contact here, right? So you might have understood in this commercial and display advertisement, space is more, and definitely whenever we occupy more space in the newspaper or anywhere, so definitely it would be expensive, no match at all, right? So everything here is a mixture of content, pictures, graphics, slogans, colors, everything, just like a poster design. So in this manner, this commercial or display advertisement is prepared. So in examination, you read the question carefully. They can ask any type. They can ask to prepare in a classified draft in a classified advertisements or a display advertisement. That word you try to see. Try to search for this word, display or classified. Then and then you go ahead, right? In which type it has been asked by the examiner. Then you will come to know. So in this way, both the advertisements are prepared, classified and display advertisement. So that's all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.